How to set custom notification sounds for different apps on Android devices. So Android devices provides you the flexibility to set custom notification sound for different essential apps. So it's quite an easy. Just make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to open the settings on your Android device. When you open it, you have to scroll down or and then select apps. Select app management option here and choose any particular app you want to save the custom notification sounds for. So for example, let's select for Instagram. Open it and then you need to select manage notification option. First and foremost thing is you need to allow notification for this particular app, then you have to scroll down. And once you have to scroll down, you need to simply select for any feature that you want to save the custom notification sounds for. Suppose it's for the likes, you need to open likes and then select ringtone. And here at the top, you will see custom. Under that, select on this device and you need to select any music or recording that you want to save the custom notification sounds of. And let's select it. And once you have done that, as you can see that we have successfully set custom notification sound for this Instagram like feature. So only the first 5 seconds of a custom tone will be played. So as if like this, you can also set custom notification sound for different other apps as well as for different features too. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.